How's it going, guys? In this video, I want to show you how you can select different Wi-Fi's on your iPhone. So, first of all, if you can see right here on the top right corner, it indicates that I'm actually connected to a Wi-Fi, okay? So it doesn't tell us which one, but the way we can figure that out is we can go to our settings. Mine is right here, but if you're having trouble finding it, you can always swipe down from the middle of your screen like so. Type in the word settings, and right here, just click there. Okay, so as you can see, the second option where it says Wi-Fi, we're gonna click on that. And okay, as you can see, it says it's activated. Wi-Fi is activated right here, and it shows you which Wi-Fi you're connected to. Mine is WCMX, okay? But there's below that, you can see the other networks that are available. In this case, there's only just one more that's available, okay? So we're gonna do a test run and connect to that one. Okay, it's connecting. Okay, so there it is. And there are different types of Wi-Fi's. Since this is a corporate guest Wi-Fi, it's very similar to the ones you get at hotels, where you get this pop-up where it tells you the rules and how you can sign up. In this case, you have to register, but there are many other Wi-Fi's. Let me just hit cancel right here. Okay, use other network. Okay, I'm gonna head back to my regular Wi-Fi. But as I said, there are many types of other Wi-Fi's. Usually they just ask you to type in the password. If you have it, you can connect to it. There are some that don't have passwords, but I would be wary of those. Be careful with those because they might fish for your information. Okay, so another way to connect to a Wi-Fi, but this is usually no one uses this. This is what happens is that some people do have a Wi-Fi available, but they don't broadcast it. What does broadcasting mean? If you can see the one I'm connected to, the WCMX, I can see it because the actual router is broadcasting that this is available. But there are others that don't broadcast it. However, you can connect to them manually. So how do you do that? We're gonna hit right here where it says others, and you're going to have to type the name. I'm just gonna make up one for this example, Wi-Fi. And then you have to know what type of security they have. These are the ones that are available, okay? I'm gonna head back. And you also need to have the password so you can type it in. Just making one up. And once you have all this, you click join. And if that Wi-Fi actually exists and you have the password and the security information correct, it's going to allow you to connect. But again, this is very rare. I don't know anyone that uses this. I'm guessing this is just for very secure environments, but I just thought it would be nice to mention. So that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the other videos.